In this video, you will learn how to buy an ETF on Charles Schwab app. First, log in. Log into your Charles Schwab mobile app or website. Open the app and securely sign in and access your investment account. Tap the Trade tab at the bottom of the screen. This section lets you place a buy and sell order for stocks, ETFs and more. Select the account you want to use. Choose the brokerage or retirement account where you want to make the purchase. Enter the ETF ticker symbol. Type the symbol of the ETF you wish to buy to pull up its trading details. Choose buy as its action and enter the number of shares or the purchase price. Specify how much you want to buy or how many shares that you want to purchase. Select your order type and review the price. Decide if you're to trade executed immediately at market price or wait for a specific price with a limit order. Review your order details and submit the purchase. Double check, make sure all the details are correct and confirm to complete your ETF purchase. That's how you buy an ETF on the Charles Schwab. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.